up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode here at Vivid Racing, and we are going to be doing something finally with the 992 GT3. You guys watched our video of speccing it and picking it up. Now it's time to do some mods. First thing that we're going to do here is an exhaust system, and we've connected with the guys at FI to get one of the latest systems for the 992 GT3. There's the car. Let's get it inside and we'll check out the exhaust. Right, here's the new FI exhaust system for the 992 GT3. Beautiful stainless steel. We've got some carbon fiber tips, their control unit, the motors for the exhaust. Everything is laid out, ready to go. The new 992 GT3 uses these massive catalytic converters, as I said. This is a completely new design exhaust for Porsche. Exhaust is all installed now. You can see it here. Very, very hot. Look at those carbon fiber tips. Now, let's start it up. Get our first glimpse of how this thing sounds. Here we go. But it is now May of 2022, and I bought this Porsche 992 GT3 and took delivery of it in, I think, September 2022. The car is 565 miles. I'm a jerk. I don't get to drive it. I really need to start enjoying the Porsche 992 GT3. So I figured, what better way than to get an exhaust system, because yes, the GT3 has the quintessential flat boxer engine noise from its normally aspirated 4-liter engine, cranking out 500 horsepower, but they just don't sound that great. I know, kill me. In fact, if you were to look at this stock exhaust, you're gonna say, how does that thing even make noise? It looks like it's a World War II bomb case. So we've connected with the guys at FI Exhaust to get their brand new Valvetronic GT3 system. And what makes the new 992 GT3 and many of the newer cars more difficult to get aftermarket exhaust is because they use an electronic valve. And as soon as you unplug them, boom, you gotta go to the dealership and have the valves recalibrated. Giant pain in the butt. So FI has got all this stuff nailed with their beautiful stainless exhaust system that bolts onto the factory headers with the factory cats, works with the valve system so you can change between the modes, and really takes the GT3 up another level in sound. So I thought, you know, we always do these great production videos. What better way to show you the new FI exhaust for the GT3 and maybe put another couple miles on it by just taking it for a drive. Let's do this. And the headers make a tremendous difference because then you feel like you're driving around a cup car, but the exhaust definitely opens up more tone. decision and choice, hit those comments down there and say, hey, yes, this sounds like the most badass thing ever, or no, your car sucks, mine sounds better. Let me know. Me some Casa Grande. but we are going back into the city. Had so much fun here, just beating the crap out of the 992 GT3. Hope you guys like this different take, first person, you know, on driving the car, hearing the sounds. Just want to do something a little different. So make sure you guys leave your comments. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you think of the car. And of course, smash that subscribe button because I need to get 100,000, and like it and everything else. And of course, check us out on vividracing.com. Thanks, guys.